Alright, so as you can see, we got a fire going. I'm pretty proud of myself right now. Thought for sure I was gonna have to ask for help. While that's cooking, let me go show you my rabbits. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Melissa. I am starting a farm. I'm working with some meat rabbits that I just got, and I'm hoping here soon we'll get some chickens, eggs and meat, and get a nice good sized garden going. So let me introduce you to the meat rabbits and kind of go for a walk around the property, I think. Alright, so here we have my meat rabbits. I just got them 2 days ago on a Sunday. I got silver fox meat rabbits. These are the two girls. They are litter mates. So for the time being, hi cutie, I'm going to be keeping these two girls together. They're about 15 weeks old, so they'll be pretty content with each other for a bit. Got food, water, hay, and a little slab of plywood for them to sit on temporarily till I can get the main hutch built. I'm working on it. So over on this side we have the buck. He's from a different litter, same breeder. Got him on Sunday with the girls. He is, I believe, a day older or a day younger than the girls. But he's real sweet. His previous home had a couple little boys that played with him a lot. So he's a sweet boy. And he's got a little mat to sit on, some hay to nibble, and some food and water. And let's get going on the tour of the property. So behind me here I have the really old lean-to, and the sucker's leaning. I'm trying to fix it up. I don't want to scrap the whole building because that'd be a lot of work, and I'm small. So we got that rabbit hutch in there. My father helped me build that one, and he got me some lumber, and I'm gonna work on a better, bigger hutch, because once you get a couple bunnies, they multiply. So yeah, like I said, this is the lean-to. It's leaning. It's leaning. Got some stuff I gotta clean up. You know how life goes. So this property, it's a bit old. It's got some old buildings on it. real old chicken coop that we're gonna rip down and do something better. It's not bad. We could absolutely fix it up, but I want some projects to do, you know? Alright, and walking away from the lean-to chicken coop area, heading towards the house, we've got a shed and water pump. We're on well water. As we're coming up over here, we've got the dog pen. Got some happy dogs. Those are my parents' dogs. Over walking this way, so got the main house, dog pen, and then down here is where we are working hard to get some blackberries cleared up and kind of make this land usable. It hasn't had anything done onto it for years and years, and it's just gotten really overgrown. So I'm hoping down here to do the main garden. I want to get some 4-foot by 8-foot beds, maybe a couple trellises, and do some veggies. I'm thinking this being like the walkway up and then up to the house. Got one of the cats joining me, as cats do. So as we keep going down here, it has a little flat spot over there, but my dad said that wasn't part of his property. We're only on about 2.8 acres, I believe. So down this way and back up is part of their property. So I don't got a lot to work with, but it's a bit, and I don't have a big family to feed, so it should do just fine. So this is what we're working with down here for where we want to stick the garden. And that's what I'm thinking for the walkway up. We just got to carve it out. We're going to rent some equipment. We have a few things, but nothing that can really carve the earth. So we're going to work on that. And there's another cat off in the distance, enjoying his day. But yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm gonna make my way back up to this house and go sit down and take a little break. Check on that fire again, see how it's going. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.